Hello everyone, welcome to RPA Learners, and in this video we're going to see how to create a zip file using Robocorp. And for creating that we need to use archive folder with zip and then rpa.archive library, and it has quite a few arguments. Let's see what are these arguments. And the first argument is the folder. You need to pass the folder for which you are creating the zip file and what is the name of that zip file, and it is recursive. Let's say you have a folder and inside we have subfolders, and if you want those subfolders to be included in the zip file, you need to mark it as true. By default it is false. It won't consider those subdirectories as a zip file. It will only consider the main folder and then what are the files inside it, not the directories. And if you want to include a particular files, and you can use this argument which is include, and then exclude if you want to exclude like the text files from doing creating a zip file or JSON files. You can do it from here. And compression, we have different types of compression methods for this keyword, and I already listed them here. If you can see them, the compression methods for these stored, which is the default method that is used, and one is the deflated bzip2 and LZMA. You can check what is best working for you and you can use that particular compression method or leave the default one as it is. So let's go ahead and see how we can do this in Robocorp. So let me close this and let me show you the folder that we are going to zip today. And here is a new folder. We are going to do this, and inside I have one text file, and then we have another folder inside it, and we have another document inside it. Right, first we will see recursive as false, so that it will only consider this particular text file, and zip it will not consider this subdirectory. For that first we need to have the path. So let's create variables here. Let's call this as folder path. And what is the folder path is equal to, let's copy this folder path, which is new folder, right? New folder. Let me copy this and let me paste it here. So we have the folder which need to be zipped. Now we need to use the keyword here, which is archive folder with zip, and we need to pass the arguments, which is one is the folder path, and the second argument is the name of the zip file. Let's consider the same. Let's say new folder.zip, and that's it. Let's try and execute this. It need to zip the file which is the main directory, which has only one text file. It don't need to consider the second subdirectory which is inside the main folder, which is new folder. Let's see whether that is happening or not. Then we need to use another argument which is called recursive here. We need to make it as true, and now we got an error which says no files found to archive. Okay, so we need to give double slashes. The single slashes, I don't think it will work. Let's save this again and let's try running this again. I think it will take this folder this time. So I need to create a new folder. Now it is worked. Let's see whether it created a new folder or not. A new folder is created by default on the project folder. So if you want to change it, you can pass the folder. If you can see here, new folder.zip, and if I open it, we have only one text file in it. We need to have only one text file, so the subdirectory is not included in it. So let's delete this, and let's go here. Let's use another property which is recursive. We need to make it as true. By default it is false. So let's save this. That is the third argument. It is not the fourth argument, so I directly given it. If it is fourth argument and you are trying to use it, please provide the name of the argument and then the value. So it given us okay, and let's go here. There is our new folder .zip, and if you see here, this time we got the subdirectory as well. But if you don't have any files in the subdirectory, those are not included in it, and you can try that. And that's how you zip a folder in using Robocorp and Archive library. And that's it for this video. If you like this video, please give it a like. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please consider subscribing for more videos. Thanks for watching.